Hi Justin, this is Josh out at Encore with your cowl panel and wiper transmission parts order ready to go. Just always like to show you what it looks like before shipping, just so you can have a chance to approve of it or disapprove of it if you had the inclination to do so. And of course, if there's any damage in shipping, then we know what it looked like before it left. But this was a 92 GT. It was actually a really clean car that came in. Used to be white, somebody had painted it black, and I really don't see any significant damage to it. I'm trying to get the paint glare there so you can see that it is a straight piece, and the only rust that I have seen on it is just where bare metal was exposed to the elements. There really is no buildup of rust, bubbles of rust. I haven't seen any evidence of any kind of repairs or bondo or anything like that ever being done. Just this one extra paint job. So like I said, anywhere there was bare metal, looks like more inside this cowl panel area, like inside the basin. They got a little light on the paint and primer. So that's really the only rust I see. And of course, where I've cut the piece, there's going to be some rust along the edges. But the transmission has not been dismantled, so it's factory mounted, I hope, and appears to be all smoothly operating. I've zip tied it in place so it doesn't move on delivery or have any issues there getting bent or caught up. But again, I don't see anything wrong with this piece. It's probably top shelf. Just you know, I got to pick and choose between what I have in stock, and this is the one I chose for you for no particular reason other than it's a good one. So I'll get a couple more angles for you so you can see it 360 degrees here before it gets boxed up, but I really don't see you having any issues with it. I've cut it here just down the lip of the factory cowl top panel. So you've got all the metal you need. Same on the inside here. I've left this factory metal lip. And along the bottom, you've got this whole factory metal lip. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's a rust spot or some glue, but it's nothing that's going to affect the installation of this piece or the use of it or the look of it. That's well under the hood, and I just noticed that now, so I don't really think that there's any concerns. I'll flip it over and we'll see. Yeah, it's really hard to even see what that is. I see a lot of this glue here, so I'm hoping that's just some kind of a body flaw. I don't see that it's rust. But again, all this is nice and flat. Underneath there's no slide hammer marks or bondo or anything like that. Look at that, it looks like you can see my puppy dog there. Henry, that's Henry. So if we can see Henry in this panel, clear as can be, I think it's really gonna be okay for you. Along the windshield area, this is where I usually will see significant rust, if anywhere, is along this windshield surface. And with this piece here, I really don't see any. It appears to be great. So I know in your last email you said as long as the panel is straight and nothing's bent, go ahead and get it out. So I just wanted to show you what's going to be on the way. Take another look down this side. So that's what I've selected for you. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. And if you do not have any concerns or questions, then I will get this boxed up and out on the next thing smoking. So thank you for being patient with me while I got this out and checked it out and cleaned it up. But as far as I'm concerned, it's ready to go. So there'll be an email coming to you shortly with this link, and hope to hear back from you soon. Thanks very much.